Okay, guys, so many people come here for dental treatment in Bangkok, and there's something I wanted to do as well because in Calcutta, I haven't really found a good dental clinic. So, yeah, let's just go inside. I'll share how the experience goes. I'm in front of BIDC, and you can book an appointment before coming. Let's go. Guys, so I'm going to BIDC for my dental treatment. I've already booked an appointment. I sent them in my X-ray. So let's go inside. I'll show you what my I'll let you know how it goes. But I do need to get a crown for my tooth. I recently got a root canal. So guys, once hello, I don't know if my mic is, yeah, my mic's connected. Okay, so once you come here, they ask you to fill out two forms. The first form just mentions, talks about your name and all those details, and then allergies or something like that. And then the other one is also about medications and the recommendations and all that. So once that is done, they give you a slip, they give you a client reference number. You can just refer that number every time you come here. And then there's a general checkup. So there's a person who's going to take your blood pressure, and they can ask you if you have any history of any kind of disease and stuff like that. So all that is done now. It's a quite thorough process, which is something I really like about it right now. It's great. So next, let's just go to the doctor and let's see what happens. I'm definitely gonna get a crown. I am contemplating getting veneers, but I'm not really sure. And also, I don't know how long it'll take for the veneers to be ready because I'm only here for a week. Let's see. I'll keep updating you guys. It's a nice place as of now. Do like it. Let's see how the experience is gonna be. Very clean as well. I really like it. It's pricey, but it's good. So yeah, guys, I was telling you about the treatment. So yeah, there was one helper and there was the main doctor, and I think it was very nice. They sanitized everything, and also every single time you come here, once you have done the initial registration, they take 250 baht for the sterilization, and I think it was proper. The one thing I really liked was it. I look so funny. Anyway, the one thing I really liked was that they kept applying lip balm, which is great because when they put anesthesia, it just like, and they tell you to open the mouth, your lip just gets, my lip used to get really cracked, and the fact that they would just apply lip balm was great. Very thoughtful of them. I've been to a lot of dentists and none of them have done that. So yeah, it just felt nice. The crown took almost an hour and a half. She gave me a temporary one for now. I will get the permanent one in a few days. The process was actually very nice. Like the fact that they took all the, like they did a lot of checks and they took my blood pressure, and they also took they asked for me for if I'm on any kind of medication, and they asked me for my height and my weight and everything. So it was pretty thorough, and the doctor did a proper consultation. So it was a nice process. I would recommend this place. But let's see how it feels after the permanent. Also, you can like send your own X-ray, which I did, or you can get an X-ray here. Even the X-ray, the way they were taking it, because I had to get it done for one tooth in which I needed the root canal. So that was nice. The process, the way by which they did it. So there was like a separate room in a different floor. They took me there, and they kind of. Kept like they had like a really big machine. It was nice. It's a very convenient process, and everyone was wearing masks and everything. So great. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna do a quick review of the place. It's kind of difficult for me to talk because I got anesthesia. So I had a root canal treatment which I needed a crown for, and I got the like she prepped the crown and gave me a temporary crown for now. So essentially, I think it was very clean, the process, and the doctor was super nice. She helped me understand everything. Also, I asked her about veneers. The veneers were expensive. I am confused whether I should get veneers or not, but because I have a lot of decay in my front tooth, that's why she recommended getting veneers. But I haven't made a decision. But if I do, I might just come back here because I really like the service. So basically, on the day I'm getting a permanent tooth, I'll see if I can make a video inside of the treatment a little bit so you guys can see what the machine, what the chair and everything looks like. But I don't think I'm allowed. If I'm allowed, I'll definitely do that. And yeah, I'm going to the weekend famous weekend market.